So Honor's next big launch is right around the corner, and the latest leak basically confirms everything about the Honor 500 Pro. Pre-orders are already live in China, and now we're getting the full design and specs. According to Digital Chat Station, the Honor 500 Pro is coming with a 6.55-inch AMOLED panel, 120Hz refresh rate, and a sharp 2736 by 1264 resolution. Under the hood, it's running the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. It also packs a custom C1 modem and an E2 energy management chip. The biggest highlight is the battery. Honor is putting an 8000 mAh battery inside this thing, which is way above the typical flagship size. And on the camera side, there's a 200 megapixel main sensor and a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Now let's talk design. Because the live images of the Honor 500 and 500 Pro show a full redesign. Both phones come with a horizontal camera bar that looks like a mix of the iPhone Air and Google Pixel style. Flat display, rounded corners, and two color options for now, white and pink. The difference between the two models is at the back. The regular Honor 500 has a dual camera setup, while the Pro version gets 3 sensors including a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto camera. Both phones are shipping with macOS 10 based on Android 16. And since the older Honor 400 Pro had a 7200 mAh battery, this 8000 mAh upgraded setup is a big step up. Honor is expected to officially announce the 500 series later this month in China. Pricing and global release will be the big questions now. That's all for this update. If you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.